Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, Research and Technology, Chandrapur.
Namaskar and welcome back to our channel. I am Stuti Sane, a Training and Placement Officer of Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, Chandrapur, and today we are sitting with our 2009 pass out alumni Tanushri Raich. She is currently working at Syngenta Private Limited as a business analyst with an experience of 13 years. Welcome back to the college, ma'am.
थैंक यू।
मैम, सबसे पहले आप ये बताइए कि इतने दिनों बाद जब आप वापस कॉलेज आई हैं, तो जब आप वापस आके कैसा लग रहा है, एज नॉट एज अ स्टूडेंट बट एज एन एलुमिनी?
Yeah, it really feels so. I'm so excited to see after such long years I came here and the same campus, same vibes, but new students of course. But yeah, it's I'm really feeling grateful.
नाइस। मैम, आपका कॉलेज से जब आपने कॉलेज में पहली बार एडमिशन लिया, वहाँ से आपकी आज तक की जो 13-14 साल की जर्नी है, अगर आप वो बता सके तो प्लीज़।
Yeah, definitely. So when I passed out from this college, of course I got to learn so many things from this college. We have excellent teachers, staff, which supported in entire journey. And then after this, when I did my degree, I got selected in Hexaware Technologies, which was my very first company. After that, I got different opportunities where I kept changing companies because I was trying to learn different things, was wanted to have work with different profiles. So it was a huge journey, which I can say it was challenging as well as exciting.
Nice. So in so many years, in 4 years of your college life, do you remember any moment or a person, maybe your friends, your faculties, any person from the college, जब भी अपने कॉलेज के दिन को याद करती हैं तो आपको सबसे पहले वो क्लिक वो होते हैं?
Yeah,
Anything?
yes, we had huge memories. Actually, बहुत सारी चीजें. We used to sit in the same lab. We used to complete our assignments, the project works. So my friends were there, like my colleagues, Charanjit, Saru, then Ashwini, and then even Ganguly sir also. They used to teach me for operating systems. Then Devashri Raich ma'am was there. She was used to she taught me multimedia systems. I remember. And we had lots of fun, like along with the studies we had so much fun. We went to canteen to have good food, and yes ma'am, it was a great journey.
It was a great journey, thanks. Your first company was Hexaware. So what are the qualities like recruiters look into a fresher?
Yes. So ma'am, as I've always wanted to tell these students that you have to clear your fundamentals. You have to be you have to make sure that your base is clear. Because what companies look is that in the huge crowd, they look for someone who are clear with problem solving. Okay, they have good fundamentals, their base, the idea behind the coding and even the other techniques, they are clear. Their communication, of course, because unless and until if there is some student who is expert in some technology, but unless and until he is not able to express or communicate properly, there is no point of selecting that candidate. So
yes.
Communication, then problem solving, then even teamwork also, group discussion activities are there. So they usually see how someone is talking, expressing their ideas, and even the curiosity. So all these things are definitely the company look for some candidates.
When you joined this college as a student, so we do have a number of habits. What was that one habit that you changed in yourself and that helped you in designing your successful career?
Yes. So ma'am, that one habit, because before joining this college, we were into, like in school days, 10th, 11th, 12th, we were not that much serious about studies, because once we enter into the college, I think that getting a job, getting an opportunity, stepping outside this place, so we have to follow sincerity, which I definitely, what I did in myself is that I was very sincere in attending the classes, in attending the lectures, and was serious about what teacher is teaching us. Because what I feel is, when we are clear with what concepts, if the concepts are clear, then only you will be able to step ahead.
Okay.
So that one habit, sincerity, I can definitely suggest.
Okay, ma'am. One last question. If you could give only one message to today's student, what it would be?
Yes. So I would tell them that these 4 years are super important to prepare as a industry ready student. Okay. And I would definitely tell them that please do not study or build your resume, build your career. So that I would definitely tell.
Thank you, ma'am. So it was a very good interaction with Tanushri ma'am. She told us that communication is very important in any student's career. After that, you need to be consistent
Yes.
in your studies. Yes, CGPA matters because any company they are recruiting you, they will first look at your CGPA also.